Apply AI has just been released, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into this game-changing software. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity, automate repetitive tasks, or scale your business with cutting-edge AI tools, Apply AI might be the software you've been waiting for. Stick around to the end, because I'll be breaking down everything you need to get started, plus I'll share how you can try it completely free through the first link below. So what makes Apply AI stand out from the crowd? First off, it's all about simplicity. If you've tried other AI tools, you know how overwhelming they can be, especially for newcomers. Apply AI simplifies the process by making everything easy to understand and use, even for beginners. It streamlines complex AI capabilities into a clean interface, so you can get started quickly without a steep learning curve. Now, let's talk features. One of the standout elements of Apply AI is its ability to automate tasks that would typically require manual effort, like content creation, data analysis, and even customer support. With a few clicks, you can have AI running your workflows, saving you time and energy for more important tasks. Another powerful aspect of Apply AI is its versatility. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, or a content creator, this software offers multiple use cases that will benefit any professional. It adapts to your needs, whether you're creating social media posts, writing blogs, or analyzing your business performance. You also get access to some of the most advanced AI algorithms. Apply AI uses natural language processing and machine learning to give you real-time insights and predictions. This means you can use it to make data-driven decisions in your business, which can be a huge competitive advantage. What's really impressive about Apply AI is its integration capabilities. It plays well with other software like Google Analytics, email marketing tools, and even e-commerce platforms. This means you can seamlessly incorporate it into your existing workflows without much disruption. One feature that you'll really appreciate is the AI's customization. Whether you need to tweak outputs, adjust settings for specific use cases, or train the AI on your business's specific data, Apply AI makes customization a breeze. This ensures that the AI works the way you need it to, not the other way around. Finally, Apply AI is built for scaling. As your business grows, so does the software. You won't have to worry about outgrowing the platform, as it's designed to handle a variety of needs, from small startups to large enterprises. So, if you're looking to future-proof your business with AI, this is an option worth considering. Before we wrap up, remember that you can try Apply AI for free by clicking the first link below. I've tested thousands of AI software platforms, and Apply AI stands out as one of the easiest and most flexible solutions available today. I've also included some of my recommended AI software tools in the description, so be sure to check those out after this video. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll make sure to get back to you